You're watching My Barrio My Mundo, and welcome to My Barrio, my neighborhood here in Eindhoven. Brainport, the most intelligent or high-tech city in the Netherlands. But you will be surprised, it's also rich in nature. Join me on this morning jog, and I'll show you the beautiful and green, or rather grey because it's winter, Eindhoven, here in the Netherlands. Enjoy the scenery and the nature. It's time to go home. I hope you enjoy the scenery, and thank you for joining me on this morning jog around my neighborhood here in Eindhoven. Don't forget to come back and subscribe for more of the places, events, and culture here on My Barrio My Mundo. Until next time.